Fix in 5. Let's decode P0453. EVAP fuel tank pressure sensor high input signal ECM detects excessive. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, fuel odor near fuel tank area, hard cold starts, irregular fuel consumption variations, unstable fuel tank pressure during acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Defective or out-of-calibration EVAP pressure sensor, most common. Short to ground in wiring harness to sensor. Loose or corroded sensor connector pins. Obstructed or disconnected fuel tank pressure measurement tube. Defective ECM or obsolete software version. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace the EVAP pressure sensor if faulty or out of range. Repair or replace damaged wiring/connectors as identified. Restore proper power supply and ground to the sensor, ream. Resolve blockages in the EVAP system, replace pinched hoses. If a rare ECM/PCM fault is diagnosed, consult OEM procedure. What does it cost? Roughly €12.74 to €84.80 doing it yourself, or €72.74 to €144.80 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace EVAP pressure sensor with OEM or certified equivalent component. Clean and reinsert connector. Apply dielectric grease to prevent oxidation. Repair or replace EVAP pressure tube if punctured or damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 492 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0453? Short trips may be possible with P0453 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0453. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.